Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who look forward to the celestial guidance of the Mokshpata board. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the cosmic guidance for the week of 30th September to 6th October 2024 in relation to health. The reading comes with a word of caution. Do not rely on incomplete or incorrect information. Many times we feel that we know everything there is to know in regard to our diets or our health and rely on WhatsApp Gyan. Go for regular checkups even if you feel you are fit and fine. The board cautions against indulgence in any form. It could be binge eating, watching too much TV and late night dinners, neglecting self-care practices like exercises and proper nutrition, or disregarding importance of rest and relaxation, ignoring mental health needs and neglecting self-care routines. Natural detoxification of mind, body and soul is advised. Release negativity. Disconnection from too much pleasures will pave your path towards purification on all levels. To sum it up, the board guides us to incorporate natural wellness practices and gradually start to disconnect from external influences so that we feel whole and complete within ourselves and not strive to fill the emptiness with things that are not needed for our growth and evolution. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hello and Namaste. Guidance on relationships for the week 30th September to the 6th of October 2024 from the Mokshpat board. In your interpersonal relationships, the Mokshpat board says that there is a lot of aggression and ego which is causing a lot of misunderstanding in your relationships. In order to avoid that, you need to let go of your ego and aggression and try to understand each other better. Listen to each other's opinions and come to a solution. As far as your spousal relationships are concerned, here also the Mokshpat board says that there is a lot of emotional triggers right now in your relationship which may cause either one of you to feel very overwhelmed, unloved. It could also make you feel disconnected with each other. The Mokshpat board advises you to communicate better with each other, express yourself and listen to each other with a lot of compassion, love and understanding. This is not a permanent phase, it is going to pass through, so don't worry about it, work towards it, do some self-reflection. Moving to those who are in a very strong relationship and are wondering whether to take it to the next level. There's good news for you. The Mokshpat board says, yes, it is the right time to take that leap of faith. So go ahead, congratulations. So to sum it up, the Mokshpat board says the most important things for any relationship to be strong, there needs to be a lot of understanding, compassion, love, faith, and absolutely clear, authentic communication between the two of you or whoever it may be. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more next week. Light and Energy, Sonal Kapadia, your Mokshpat advisor.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome to the October series of Punch Portal. My name is Karishma and I'm going to speak about spirituality this week, which is from 30th September to October 6th. This week, you're going to be spiritually inclined. You will feel the need to reflect on your values and your personal beliefs. This reflection will lead you ahead in your spiritual journey. You will do service or do some kind of clarity this week. Definitely inculcate regular meditation in your daily routine, as this will help you to stay aligned to the divine. Keep yourself open to the divine timings, because as you're practicing spirituality, things will unfold for you and you will gain clarity and positivity. Remember not to be judgmental, as this will hinder your progress on your spiritual path. Be yourself, be aware, as these are the small steps to be in alignment with the universal laws. You need to perform all your duties. You cannot be just spiritual or materialistic. You have to create a balance between both. Be kind to others and be in a state of gratitude. Rectify your mistakes wherever you feel you have made a mistake. Take care. Be blessed. Namaste.
नमस्ते, मैं मीनू लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए गाइडेंस ऑफ अक्टूबर फर्स्ट वीक विच इज September 30th to October 6th for your business and profession according to मोक्षपट बोर्ड। तो मोक्षपट बोर्ड ये कहता है इट इज टाइम टू रेक्टिफाई ऑल द रॉन्ग डूइंग्स। जो भी बिजनेस या प्रोफेशन आप कर रहे हैं उसमें कहाँ और क्या सुधार किया जा सकता है। बेहतर होगा आप किसी की सलाह लें, आपका कोई मित्र या फिर कोई अनुभवी व्यक्ति। There are chances of collaboration with similar firms or companies for the betterment and upliftment of your business. और यदि आप किसी के साथ मिलकर सामूहिक रूप से किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करते हैं जो कलेक्टिवली सभी के हाईएस्ट गुड में हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फूड बिजनेस, herbal medicine, eco-friendly products, etc. without any attachment, meaning किसी भी तरह के स्पेसिफिक आउटकम की अपेक्षा आपको नहीं रखनी है। कहते हैं ना, कर्म किए जा फल की इच्छा मत कर। तो अगर आप इन सब बातों का ध्यान रखते हुए अपने बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो निश्चित ही आपका बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल होगा और आपके फाइनेंसेस इंप्रूव होंगे। फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस, नए एस्पेक्ट के साथ। टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड। बाय।
Namaste Divine Souls, I'm Alpa with the Punch Portal program for the period of 30th September to 6th of October 2024 regarding finance. This period is highly favorable for financial growth provided you remain on the path of dharma and uphold honesty in your duties. It signals a harmonious time for financial gains, but it is crucial to be discerning about how and where you invest your money. Resist the temptation to seek quick or overnight profits through unethical means such as lending money to sahukars or charging an exorbitant interest rates to individuals or entities lacking trustworthiness. Investing with ethics and integrity is paramount, ensuring that your financial practices align with your dharma. As the saying goes, as you sow, so shall you reap. While speculation and risky ventures may offer substantial returns in the short term, true financial development is achieved through thoughtful, intellectual and ethical decisions. To secure your wealth and ensure long-term prosperity, focus on investment in reputable and stable avenues such as fixed deposits, shares, share certificates, bonds, mutual fund and other trustworthy instruments. Earning through honest means ensure its stability and value over time. Therefore, it is essential to invest wisely and in the right places, prioritizing long-term security and integrity in all financial dealings. Overall, the period presents an excellent opportunity for financial success, but it is crucial to navigate it with wisdom and ethical consideration to fully reap the reward. Thank you. Have a great week ahead.
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.